Hey everyone, my name is Sandy Brown and I'm your Norwex consultant, and I'm here today to talk to you about our household package along with doing a couple of demonstrations for you. So let me tell you what our household package includes. It includes our Enviro cloth, our window cloth, and our dusting mitt. All right, so we're going to start with our Enviro cloth and a little bit about Norwex and our microfiber in general. So traditional microfiber is 1/6 the size of a human hair. So if you were to take a piece of your hair and cut it into 6 spots, that is how thick their traditional microfiber is. But Norwex is unique because it is 1/200th the size of a human hair. So once again, take that human hair, chop it into 200 pieces, and that's how dense this fiber is. So the smaller the fiber, it gives the ability to physically remove up to 99% of the bacteria on your surfaces. So what we're doing is we're mechanically cleaning versus chemically cleaning. Now, you all know about those wipes in that yellow container. I am not a fan of those any longer once I found Norwex. Please do me a favor and read the back of those so you can see what you really need to do in order to get your surfaces clean with those wipes, okay? So the amount of fiber. This cloth has 10 million feet of fiber in it. It's very absorbent. It holds up to 7 times its weight in water. So it takes a couple minutes to go ahead and get this cloth wet because it is so absorbent. So if you were to stretch out the fiber that's in this cloth, let me show you how big this cloth is. It would stretch from Canada to the Gulf of Mexico. That's how dense this fiber is. Another unique thing about our Norwex cloth is our backlock technology. And you can see right here, oh, that's Enviro. Right here, it says backlock. We are the only microfiber that has microsilver embedded into the cloth. So silver is a natural antimicrobial. So when it comes in contact with bacteria, it can no longer grow. So it or multiply. So it inhibits bacteria, molds, fungus from growing in the cloth. So really all you have to do is when you use your cloth, rinse it out and hang it by the tag, and you can go ahead and use it over and over. I usually use mine for about a week and then I wash everything. So what we're going to do is we are going to do a couple of demonstrations. Yay! So the first thing we're going to do is my butter demonstration. Okay, so I have a mirror here. And as you guys know, butter is a very greasy substance, okay? So I've put some butter on here, okay? Greasy, 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 greasy. So I want to show you that when you're using your cloth, all you need to do is take your Enviro cloth and wipe the butter straight off of here, okay? You see how I'm just wiping the surface clean, okay? And then we're going to use our window cloth. So this is our other cloth in our household package. This is what we call our polishing cloth. So you use this cloth dry, and as you can see, I am polishing that mirror right up, and there's no streaks or nothing. You can actually see my reflection on our mirror. So it's amazing. Now I want you to know that if you were to use any type of spray or chemical, it takes a lot longer to get that greasy butter off. Another great use for our window cloth is to polish that stuff, is to polish all of your stainless steel. You wet it and wipe it down with the Enviro cloth, and then all you do is take your window cloth and you dry it, and shiny as can be. I love it. This was my very first cloth I bought, and I was so excited to clean all my mirrors in my house because all I had to do is wet it down and wipe it. So that is our butter demonstration. So now I want to do our raw chicken demo. This is a favorite by all. This is really going to prove to you how this cloth really, really works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these ATP protein swabs. So what these do, these are used by health inspectors in hospitals, in restaurants, and they are testing the cleanliness. So, and they're testing to see if protein is present, if protein molecules, excuse me, are present. So first of all, I want to tell you that these are not sold by Norwex. These are, you can buy them on Amazon, you can buy them many different places, but they are not sold by Norwex. And what we're looking for, so when protein molecules are present, it indicates contamination. So what we're looking for is we are testing to see what molecules are present and what contamination is present. And as you know, raw chicken has protein molecules in them. So how this works is there's a little guide here. If once you test it, the liquid turns purple, that means that protein molecules are present. What we want to see is green, of course, so green equals clean. So this is what I'm going to do. I have a piece of raw chicken here. Can you see that? So I'm going to take that and I am going to swab this plate. Can you guys see how I'm putting all this chicken goo right here on my plate? Okay? Next, I'm going to take our, Next, I'm going to take our protein swab and I'm going to show you how protein is now present on this plate. I'm going to take the plate and I'm going to swab the area where I just swabbed all of the chicken, okay? And I'm going to put it back in the testing and I'm going to release the juice up here and shake it. And as you can see, the juice is purple. And once again, purple means protein is present, right? All right, so now I'm going to take our EnviroCloth and I'm going to clean this plate up, okay? I'm going to wipe it down. Very good. Okay, you guys can see that I'm wiping everything beautifully. Okay, now I'm going to do a new tube. Okay, so here's the purple one. Now I'm going to take a new one. Okay, and I'm going to swab the plate. Same thing that I just did. Okay, put it back in the tester, release the juice, and what color do we want to see, everyone? We want to see green. Okay, green is clean. So there you go. You can clearly see protein after Norwex cloth, it's clean. So that is pretty amazing. And I have done many of these tests since I've been a Norwex consultant. And if I wasn't, and they have always never failed me, I've always gotten the results I needed. And if I wasn't so confident, I wouldn't lick this plate. That's how confident I am. And I've never been sick. So I just wanted to just show you that. And the last thing I want to talk about in our household package is our dusting mitt. This is an amazing mitt. I love it. It's really great when you use two of them to dust around your house. And how you get it to go is you rub it together to get that electrostatic charge to grab the dust. You stick it on your hand, you dust your surfaces, okay? And it's amazing. The dust clings right to it. When we use the chemically formed furniture polishes, they leave a residue and the dust then clings back to that residue. So once again, we're mechanically cleaning the dust versus chemically cleaning it. It's amazing. And a little secret, if you get this dusting mitt wet and wring it out, you can clean your screens in your home. It's amazing how well it picks up the dirt. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, if you have any questions about anything I talked about, please post below. But right now, this was our household package, and I really appreciate you guys listening. Have a great day. Bye.